Welcome back for Trick Tip Tuesday. Today's tip is about freeing up a hand while you're working. Say you're working in a car, on a table, doing layout, you're trying to hold something in place, you need to mark on it. We have this cool little unique holder here called the MarkerLock, and it holds Sharpies as well as a version that holds the Milwaukee Inkzall markers. So basically what it does is it holds the cap in place, and it's really strong magnetic, so holds in place. So you pull your Sharpie out, make your mark, put your marker back in there, and you can get back to work. So frees up that hand instead of having to pull your Sharpie out of your pocket, pull the cap off, two hands, or trying to finagle it off with one hand. It makes it real easy to pop it in and out. So check out these marker locks on our website at Trick-Tools.com. Like and subscribe to all our social media and YouTube, and we'll see you guys next Tuesday.